This is a brand new 2014 Toyota 4Runner. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a sunroof, the Toyota Entune infotainment system, an 8-speaker stereo system, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a locking rear differential, skid plates, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, roof rails, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped shift knob, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a split folding rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, and an auxiliary power outlet. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.